Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to Hacky Nuts. Today we will continue our command line series and discuss about the command rm and rmdir. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
This is the future.
So first let me open my terminal from Ctrl Alt and T, and then we will start discussing about these commands. So the command rm stands for remove and rmdir stands for remove directory. So let's start using it. So first we will discuss about the command rmdir. With help of this command, you can only remove directories. So let's say that I have a directory named Java here. Now if I want to remove that directory, so first I will have to switch to my desktop. If you don't know how to change directory, I will provide the video link in description. So change your directory to desktop, cd desktop. Now I want to remove this Java directory, type rmdir and then Java and hit enter. As you can see here, it removed my Java directory successfully. Now let me clear the screen. Now if you want to remove the directory structure, so first let me create a directory structure on my desktop. So how to create that? mkdir -p and then type the structure here like pi/abc and hit enter. And to check your directory structure, you just need to type ls-R and hit enter. As you can see here, it printed the complete directory structure of my desktop. Now let me clear the screen. So to remove this, let's type rmdir and name of the directory pi and hit enter, and it will give me an error. The directory is not empty. So now type the complete directory structure rmdir pi/abc and hit enter. So it ran without any error, but our directory is not removed yet, as you can see in our desktop. So what happened here? So again let's check our directory structure ls-R. As you can see here, it removed only C directory, but I want to remove the complete directory structure. So how we can do that? So to remove the complete structure, you just need to type -p as we did in our mkdir command and hit enter. Okay, so we did a mistake here. We already removed our C directory. That's why it is giving me error that no such file or directory. So remove this C from here and hit enter. So as you can see, it removed our directory structure. Now let's clear the screen. Now I don't know about you, but I am very lazy to type the complete structure on this terminal and then wait to remove this. So let's see the another way. So again let's create the same directory structure on our screen, mkdir -p. Now let's see how we can remove this directory structure by help of the command rm. So you just need to type rm-r and then the name of the directory and hit enter. It's very easy, right? So it removed our directory from here. By help of this command, you can remove all directories, even if it is empty or non-empty. And you can also remove files by help of this command. So let's switch to our home directory. So inside our home directory, there is 4 text file here. Let's remove any one. Type rm and then name of the file like name.txt. And as you can see, it removed the file from here. So that's all about today's video. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, then press that like button and share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.